Hey, good morning, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, what a day yesterday. We were breaching that low right at the 0% fib there. Did most of the work below that during the day. Looked like we were going to drop even further, possibly test the lows back in November. And by God, at the end of the day, we had a surge and enough to close above. So now we'll have to see what happens today. Are they going to continue the upward movement, or was this a little head fake? You can see we're below the T8, so 80.70 is our first hurdle, then the 10-day moving average, which is also right at the 23.6 fib level, and then we have to hit our 50-day EMA, and again closes above that. Would be nice to kind of put in a short-term bottom and head higher. Okay, let's take a look at the support and resistance. We'll do the longer term, which hasn't changed. The Dow broke below the downside support level of 81.62 2 days ago, which was a bearish sign. So we'll see today if in fact they can breach that level and hold. And the most recently confirmed upside resistance is 89.31 based on the longer term support and resistance. Short-term support and resistance, they had a downside support of 81.84, so in the same area, which broke that 2 days ago, which was bearish. So basically holding over 82 would pose a bullish sign based on support and resistance long and short term. Let's look at our Chande chart checkup. We obviously still have the price at downward prices, and the bias is downward. Short-term prices are stalling, and intermediate-term prices are trending. The projected upper bound is 84.21, and the lower bound is 74.17. And I thought that's where we were headed yesterday. The Rex Takasugi profile of the Dow. The Dow closed basically even. It was down 10 points. Volume was 7% below average, and Bollinger Bands are still 64% narrower than normal. The technical outlook for the short term is overbought. Intermediate term is bearish. Long term is bearish. The Dow is currently 23% below its 200 period moving average, which is still in a downward trend. The volume indicators reflecting the flow of money in and out of the Dow is relatively at an equal pace, which is neutral. And the trend forecasting oscillators are currently bearish and have been bearish for the last 20 periods. So that's our checkup of the Dow. Thank you for joining Uncle Mike again. And I will have an update. We'll look at longer term charts over the weekend. So if you visit us, please have any of your friends that are interested in a technical analysis of the Dow join in, sign up for the videos, go to the website, take a look around. And the website is www.teachtalktrade.com. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you back. Oh, I'll have this done Sunday evening. Thanks.